This video tutorial I will explain what is an API. API is the acronym for Application Programming Interface, and an application programming interface is a set of functions, procedures, methods or classes which is used by computer programs to request service from the operating system or software libraries or any other service providers which is running on the computer. And this definition is overwhelming. We will see some other definition to understand it better. Application programming interface is a software intermediary that allows two applications to talk to each other. And each time you use app like Facebook and send instant message or check weather report on the phone, then you are using the API. Here we will see the real-time example of how API is used. Suppose if you want to book flight from Indigo, then what you can do is you can book Indigo flight from not only from Indigo official website but also from Paytm, PhonePe, PayPal, Make My Trip, GoIBO, etc. This is possible because of API. Using API, the Paytm, PhonePe and GoIBO will get flight detail information and booking price from the Indigo server. And those flight details information and booking price they will display in their own website. And from that website, user can book the tickets. You can get Java source code link for each video from the description section of the video. And here you can see the video, and to see the description click on this more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links, and click on these links to get the Java source code.